So there's been a bit of discussion over the past few days, basically saying, oh, DAST tools are a waste of time, or DAST tools don't provide value and you shouldn't put them into your process. So what do I think about this? I think in some ways it's the wrong question. We shouldn't necessarily be asking, does a DAST tool give you value? But we should be asking, does DAST solve a problem that I have? Have I got a problem for which a DAST tool might be a useful solution? So to start with, if my problem is some regulator, some compliance regime requires that I perform DAST scanning of my application, then maybe the DAST tool support solves my problem by just simply existing. If I've got a question, how can I find vulnerabilities in my running application before the pen test team discover them or before a bug bounty program discovers them? Then maybe, again, a DAST tool is going to answer that particular issue. If the question is going to be, well, how can I discover vulnerabilities as early as possible, ideally from the code level, ideally without a running application, then no, DAST isn't going to solve that particular problem. DAST needs a running version of the application and tends to come in later on in the process. So I think it very much comes down to, what is the problem that I'm trying to solve? What is the issue that I have? What do I need at this particular point in time? And does DAST help with that? And the same goes for all the tools as well. We need to figure out what's the problem we're trying to solve, what's our objective, and then decide which tool is going to help us to achieve that objective. So it's these sort of issues and these sort of concepts that I discuss in my course, Building a High-Value AppSec Scanning Program. I'm next running the course at Black Hat USA this summer in Las Vegas, and I'd really like to see you there. So sign up today, so we can find value, not just vulnerabilities.